Hi everybody, welcome back to Arm Candy. We've got a gorgeous Louis Vuitton to show you today. So this is a Louis Vuitton Artsy and it's in this lovely monogram imprint leather in the colour Flamme Rouge. So it's a really kind of rich purpley red colour, which is really nice. So I'll talk you through the features. So on the bottom we've got 4 base studs, and then we've got one top handle, and attached to the top handle we've got this little Louis Vuitton key ring and little clip as well, and they're attached on this little removable leather strap. And then inside we've got loads of nice space inside. So we've got on the back 3 flat pockets here, and another one here as well. You can see we've got that pinstripe fabric lining in there. And then on the opposite side we've got another 3 flat pockets. So try and get it in the light so you can see it. So just there and here as well. And just above those flat pockets we've got 1 zipped pocket. So I'll open that up. And then inside that flat pocket, that zipped pocket, we've got the date code just in the corner on that little leather tab just there. So a little bit difficult to see on the camera, but just that little leather tab there, just in the zipped pocket, that has got the date code on it. So the condition of this bag, we've called the exterior good, and that's mostly for these bottom corners. You can see that they have got some signs of wear to them. So just starting to wear away on each of those corners. But actually, for the most part, that leather is really nice and has not really got many marks or anything like that on it. You can still see that lovely embossed monogram print. And that still looks really beautiful. The interior we've called very good. Again, you can tell that it's been pre-loved, but there's not really any particular marks or anything like that for me to show you on the interior. It's in a very nice condition. And it's the same with the hardware. We've again called that very good. You can see that these rings are in a lovely condition. They've still got that lovely gold tone, but the reason we've called it very good is there's just a little bit of wear to those studs on the base. So just in the centres, starting to wear away a little bit. So that's why I've called the hardware and the interior very good. I'll show you what it comes with. So we've got the Louis Vuitton dust bag, just there, as well as a nice big Louis Vuitton box to come with it too. So if you wanted any exact measurements for this bag, go to the link in the description below. That is the link to shop this exact bag on our website, armcandybagco.com. And so if it takes you directly to this Louis Vuitton, that's great. It means it's still available and you can still purchase it. But if it takes you to our generic product page, I'm really sorry, that does mean it has sold. But what you can do is if you really were hoping for this one, you can get on our request list. So all you have to do is send us over an email or fill out the contact us form on our website. Let us know that you love this and we'll put you on our request list, and then as soon as we get in another one, we'll let you know, and then hopefully you can get in there nice and quickly the next time we have one in. So that's the request list. As I said, exact measurements will be on the website, but I'll show you the size on me for reference. So I'll come back here, pop it on my shoulder for you to have a look. So that leather is really nice and comfortable and just sits on your shoulder really comfortably, or you can pop it on your elbow like that, and it's such a great size. So I'm a size UK 10 and 5'4", if that's any help in reference to the size. But I'm the kind of person that loves to just put everything in my bag, and it's just, you can see it's just got so much space in there. But it's quite nice as well because it has got quite a lot of pockets. So sometimes with a big bag, stuff can kind of get lost in there, but because it's got a lot of pockets, it's nice to keep things quite organised as well, which is a nice feature. So if you wanted any more details on this bag, again, go to the link in the description below. While you're on our website, have a browse through all the other beautiful arm candy that we have on there for you, and sign up to our newsletter, because when you do sign up to our newsletter, it will send you through your welcome discount code, so don't miss out on that. And while you're here, like this video and also subscribe to our channel if you're a bag lover like we are, and then you don't miss out on any beautiful bags like this one that we have to show you. And also on our website you'll find the How to Sell With Us page, so if you have any bags you'd like to sell with Arm Candy Bag Co, all the details you need to know about that process are on there, so have a read through and we'll see you later with some more Arm Candy.